front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Privacy section. Now choose Permission Manager and click on any feature you wish to manage, like Calendar. Then select one of your apps, in my case Photos, from Not Allowed section, and apply one of those options by clicking on the best one, Allow or Don't Allow. I will go with Allow, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Photos just gained access to my device's calendar. But you can always select any feature and find an app you wish to manage instead. I will go into Context to click on Chrome. Now instead of applying one of those options, scroll all the way down and click on See All Permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!